Union Home Minister Amit Shah arrived in Agartala this evening for a crucial two-day official visit to the state Tripura. To mark the high-profile arrival, Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha warmly received and welcomed the Union Home Minister at the Maharaja Bir Bikram airport.
The visit is considered highly significant as the Home Minister is scheduled to review border security along the India-Bangladesh frontier and oversee major development initiatives in the state. A tight security blanket has been thrown over the capital city and a comprehensive traffic advisory has been put in place for the BPIP visit. During his two-day stay, the Union Home Minister itinerary includes visiting the Lankamura border outpost to interact with BSF personnel and review the implementation of smart border management systems. Attending the Bhumi Pujan and foundation stone laying ceremony for the transformation of the historic Pushpa Bandha Palace into a world-class luxury heritage hotel project by the Tata Group. Chairing a high-level administrative and security meeting with senior state and central security officials to strengthen regional surveillance and infrastructure. The Home Minister was warmly welcomed by a series of state leaders including MP Rajiv Bhattacharjee, BJP State President and General Secretary and Army officers at the MBB airport. Reporter Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.